Yo, what's going on, and welcome to the new episode of how I create my Funko images on Instagram. My name is Niels, and today I want to show you how you can make one Funko to thousands of Funkos. Okay, I think you are probably confused why my smartphone is on a tripod. Because I will show you you can make this image with any type of a camera. A DSLR, a digital camera, or in this case a smartphone. The only thing you'll definitely have to need is a tripod and Photoshop. And why that, I will show you now. All what we need are a tripod, a camera, in this case my smartphone, and an object we want to clone. In this case a cultist from Horizon. I use the top of a selfie stick to fix my smartphone. Sag mal hallo. Na Dicke. It's important that the camera is on a fixed point like a tripod. Now we take the first picture of the cultist. Okay, it's done. Next step, we have to move the cultist to another position. Like this one. And now we take a new picture. Done. Okay, and this we repeat as long as we want. For me it's okay to take 5 pictures. Okay. Here. Take the photo. And here. Take a picture. After we are ready with our small cultist shooting, we have to transfer the image to our computer. The key point of this procedure is that we bring all images together. I open Photoshop with the main image as a starting point. Open with Photoshop. So now here we have our main image. Now we transfer the other images to our main image. Okay, now we use the mask tool to all the images except the main image. Press Alt. Except the main image. You will see now the mask images are all black. That means that the images are completely transparent. What we have to do now is to pick the brush tool with the white color to bring back our images. In this case, the cultist parts of the images. We bring back the first cultist. The shadows. Nice. The second. Nice. The third cultist. And the last, the fourth cultist. A little bit bigger. You see the shadows from the top cultist are a little bit gone, but that is no problem. Oh, that's too hard. A little bit softer and a little bit smaller. Now we can bring back the shadow. There is a little bit, so, like this. So, that is all. We are ready. I think that looks cool. Now we have 5 cultists, but we only buy 1 cultist. I think that's cool. I think that's a cool technique. And with this technique you can make thousands of variations with each camera. Only important is the fixed camera and the tripod. That is Barney. Good boy. Give me 5. Hello. For example, this was a variation from me after the Super Bowl 49. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learn a new technique. Feel free to send me your results with a private message on Instagram. We see us next Wednesday with a new video tutorial about Funko photography. Thanks for watching and the love. Peace.